Okay, we're going to do a really quick, easy cocktail today. It's not really a cocktail, it's just an alcoholic beverage. And if you are not a drinker, then I would just replace the vodka maybe with lemonade or lemon lime bitters. Just you can use the rest of the ingredients in it, but you can replace the alcohol with some other kind of non-alcoholic beverage that you like. So I am going to call this one, I'm going to make it up. I'm going to call it Kris Kringle's Kiss.
Oh, I like that.
Do you like that? I don't know, I just made that. Pull the rabbit out of my hat. Well, pull the reindeer out of my head. So I'm going to use some vodka, just because I like white spirits. And then I'm going to use some cranberry juice.
Nice and refreshing in summer.
Yeah, beautiful. A little bit of soda water. And then I'm just going to top it off with some fresh cherries, a squeeze of lime, and some mint. So it's really simple and it's just refreshing. Easy to do. Someone just pops in as well. So want to do each one out? I'm just going to do, this would be a double shot. So it's my little Samoa shot glass. So this is 2 shots in here. So I'm going to 3/4 of the way fill that up. So it's a shot and a half of vodka. Whoa, do you want?
Yes, thank you.
And we've got ice in the glass already, just to cool it down. Shot and a half of vodka.
You know what else is good about this cocktail? It's going to be low in calories as well.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, vodka, soda water, and the cranberry juice.
I do love cranberry juice, actually.
Yeah. Nice. It is. It's really refreshing. Yeah.
And then we just, I would halfway fill it with the cranberry. Oh, I'll do yours for you, Cindy.
Thank you. Kris Kringle Kiss.
Yeah, and
no,
then
Kris Kringle Kiss. I'll do the soda. And of course I can't open it. Got it. Not strong enough.
You go to the gym.
No, you know what? I sometimes use my teeth and goes like,
don't use your
teeth.
Use your teeth. Use a cloth. Or the other one, you know, the other trick I learned, this can be in the tips. You put an elastic band around it.
Oh, that's
and
good.
And then that gives you a better grip. So, yep, that. And then we just
debate.
grab a fresh lime. So I'll just cut that in half.
And
then just squeeze a bit of lime in for taste.
A bit of mint.
Little stir up with our paper straws. And then just to make it Christmassy, I'm just going to drop a cherry in there.
Oh, that's pretty.
There's one there. And then let's get that one there.
Thank you. That's mine.
And then just put a little sprig of mint. I love mint. It's refreshing and it keeps the flies away.
Yeah, look at that.
And then it's so simple, so easy, refreshing.
Great on a hot summer's day.
And you can make up a picture of it too if you want earlier. So when friends arrive, you can just pour it out. So cheers, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Cheers.
Merry Christmas.
That's nice.
Oh, that's delicious.
Beautiful, refreshing.